Best Choice Products 38-inch Beginner Kit, Ultra Affordable Starter, almost equal to $69.98 list. When absolute affordability is the priority, the Best Choice Products 38-inch Beginner Acoustic Kit is one of the most persistent budget options out there. It's a laminate 38-inch guitar packaged with a gig bag, picks, strap and extra strings. Camel and historical listings put the list price around $69.98, and you'll often find sales that dip lower, which makes it a common first instrument for children and absolute beginners. User reviews are best read with context. Many buyers are thrilled that it's inexpensive and functional for lessons and practice, and the product holds a very large number of ratings. The listing historically sits in the 4.0 to 4.3 star neighborhood with tens of thousands of reviews. Expect laminate tone, basic hardware, and simple playability. It's not for stage work, but it's perfect for getting started and deciding if you want to commit to an upgrade later. Final word, if this is a first guitar for a kid or you need a cheap practice instrument, Best Choice Products Kit does the job without drama. And yes, we share buy links in description box.